Hello, I'm Ricky. I'm looking for friendship.
Hello, Ricky. I'm Lena. Maybe we can be good friends.
You have got beautiful eyes. I fall in love.
Oh, thank you so much. You are so sweet. You have got fantastic hairs. I would like to blue hairs.
I like different colors. I don't like the same things. Is there a hairdresser near here? I will take you to the hairdresser. It is on me.
That's a deal. Thanks. I cannot wait.
Here is my favorite hairdresser. Are you ready to change?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's try. Look at that model. Wonderful.
It looks nice. We have 2 reservations. Come with me.
Okay, let's go. I'm excited.